I am here with Tala and Blizzard's girls and Summit and Striker's boys. This is a two-mom litter, or two mom and two dad type of thing. We just didn't bring both moms. They were born 3 days apart. The girls being older, you'll see there's a big difference in size difference, two of them. The girls are 3 days older than the boys. So we waited till our last scent to do today, which is Rain. So we're gonna let you see how they do. This is Hudson, he's the little guy. Hudson and Brody are the little ones. Look how little. I'll show you, just for appearances, I have to show you this. Where's Rayla? She's our biggest girl. Come here, Rayla. Oh my goodness, look at the difference between the boys and the girls. Look at the size, isn't that amazing? They're little stinkers. These guys will very quickly catch up though. I'm not too worried about it. So, all right. Are you ready? Let's see what you think of it here, little buddy. All right, we're just gonna go this way because I don't have the hole in that top. See how he holds still? What do you think? And the tongue comes out? That would be an extremely positive reaction. So Mr. Hudson likes Rain. You got an EP there, buddy. All right, here's Miss Cleo. What do you think, Cleo? Want to go, girl? What do you think? Oh my goodness, you see the little tongue? That's an extremely positive also. So Miss Cleo, I hope we get a good array here so you can see the difference. All right, come here, Miss Jordan. What do you think? What do you think of it? Do you like it? Okay, now that would be a mixed reaction because she didn't lock on. She kind of smelled it, she turned her head, she went back and smelled it again. So she's one of those where I'm not quite sure if I like it or I don't, right? Good. All right, so Jordan is gonna get a mixed. All right, who else do we have here? Here's Mr. Brody, he's our other little guy. Say hi. Oh, you ready? What do you think, Brode? Mr. Brody doesn't like it. He never locked onto it once, so Mr. Brody's a negative. Huh? Are you negative? But he likes my nose. Oh, you have such puppy. He's got such puppy breath. You have such puppy breath, baby. So Brody's a negative. Okay, let's see. Who's eating my pants there? All right, let's see here. Who do we have? We have Miss Leah. What do you think, babe? Do you like it or not? Another mix. And the Rain is actually a calming scent. Excuse me, an environment. No, it is a calming scent. Yeah, it's a calming scent. No, it's an environmental scent. What am I talking about? I'm losing my mind. I think it's environmental. Yeah, it's environmental. Duh. I don't know why I'm saying calming. Maybe because I want them to be calm. I want all of you to be calm, right? Calming. Carmen, Carmen, Carmen. Let's see what you think. Oh my goodness, Carmen is licking it. He likes it a lot. Huh? What do you think? Oh, do just like me. Let's try one more time. Carmen just likes me. Do I smell like Rain? Oh my gosh, she's got such puppy breath. All right, dear. All right, let's see what else. All right, who do we have? I need Morgan. Morgan, are you over here, baby girl? Morgan and Marlo and Rayla. Miss Morgan is extremely positive. Who is doing that? What are you playing down here? Come here, Miss Rayla. Oh my goodness, come here, baby. All right. So let me write Morgan first. I didn't get her down. EP. All right. Ready, Miss Rayla? What do you think? Another one that likes Rain. Oh boy, are we in trouble. Basically what this tells us is that depending on how much they score in the environmentals, as far as points will tell us if they're going to be highly distracted outside. So if we find that they're highly distracted, then we are going to be teaching them to walk and do things more inside first, and then we take them outside. Mr. Marlowe, where's Mr. Marlowe? Marlowe, there you are. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Marlowe. Good boy. What do you think? You can go back one more time. So he would be a mixed as well. All right, so I think we've got everybody, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 babies. And that's our early sim stuff. Thanks for watching, guys.